Molly, in an intense game of checkers with me.
Shut up!
She has 2 kings and I have 1, yet I keep outsmarting her. She's going insane.
Where did you want to move?
I don't know. Let me decide.
Wait, it was like this.
Yes, it was like that.
It's your turn to move.
No, it wasn't like that.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
No, it wasn't.
It's your turn to move. You.
Nuh-uh, honey. It was your turn to move. Let us watch the intense game. I need something to level this on. Better? Better.
Okay, your turn. Yeah. Idiot. You could have jumped me.
Yeah, I know.
Could have been on 101.
Mano y mano.
Do it. This is a sacrifice. Do it. Please. Follow my plan. No. Jump me, damn it. Jump me like you would never jump before. Stop that.
You can't take the magic.
Kill me now. Get straight, you better do it. You will be brave. What have I done? It was so strong.
Oh, so dramatic.
Go. That's beat tapper. Bam, you're screwed.
I knew I should have gone the other way.
I know you should have, but you didn't. I won. Die.
It was intense.
Good.